When selecting a 24-hour timeable switch for compact fluorescent, or CFL, bulbs, several brands offer compatible models. These include Lutron, particularly the Maestro and Skylark series, GE with their Brighton series, Honeywell's Home Pro series, Leviton's Decora series, and Wood's with the CR25 series. It is important to note that some models might have specific wattage limitations. Always check the product specifications before making a purchase to ensure the timer switch can handle the load of your CFL bulbs. Beyond brand selection, there are other important considerations. Ballast compatibility is crucial. Some CFL bulbs require a ballast to operate. Therefore, you need to ensure that the timer switch you choose is compatible with the type of ballast used in your fixtures. Many timer switches have a specific setting designed for incandescent bulbs. When using CFL bulbs, you must disable this incandescent setting. Failure to do so can lead to problems with the CFL bulbs or damage to the timer switch. If you have already installed a non-compatible timer switch and are experiencing issues, it may have caused damage to your CFL bulbs or the switch itself. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can take. Firstly, replace the CFL bulbs. If the bulbs are flickering or not turning on at all, it indicates they may be damaged from the incompatible switch. Secondly, replace the timer switch itself. If the switch is not working properly, even after adjusting the settings, it likely needs to be replaced with a compatible model. If you are unable to troubleshoot the issue yourself or are uncomfortable working with electrical wiring, it's best to contact a qualified electrician for assistance. A professional can accurately diagnose the problem and ensure that the new timer switch is installed correctly and safely. Considering these brands and compatibility factors will help ensure your CFL lighting operates efficiently and reliably with a 24-hour timer switch.